left a little drop.
A little drop?
Yeah, look, Daddy, you just left a little drop.
Oh, yeah.
Merry Christmas, Hannah.
Hmm.
Look!
Do you write back?
Yeah, look. Merry
Nice.
Christmas, Hannah.
Cool. Have you bought any presents?
Oh.
Yeah, a dozen. Ow.
Oh, more than a dozen, I'd say.
So first we had 19. Let's see how many more we've got. Holy bobbed cow.
Use your fingers, rip them open.
I don't fancy, we didn't have to have this much. Bring this up. Look me. Okay, who's this?
Read the tag and see.
One first. Oh. To Hannah.
Is it from?
Surprise.
Is it from?
It's from Mum and Dad.
It is.
I take that one. Thank you, Mummy.
You're welcome, darling.
Pleasure.
Did you put 2 layers on this?
I think so.
That's the parcel.
Ooh, cheese. You would know because you bought it with me. Or did Mummy?
Mm.
Do you like them?
Yeah.
Good.
Too far. Merry Christmas from Mummy. You see, I did Christmas from where it was then.
Yeah.
That's when I took my hat. For Christmas. Ooh. To Rose. Merry Christmas from Mummy.
They are lucky guinea pigs.
Oh, you got a couple of carrot sticks. Got 1, 2.
Have they had their present already?
Yeah. They just opened it. To Rose, Merry Christmas from Mummy. Here we go. Finished. Goes in that. I'm trying to drag them around, I think.
Microwavable slippers. Wow, like Bigfoot.
all the things are at the top.
Are they?
Yeah.
All the stone.
Oh, cool! I now got the cake.
You need Daddy to help take it out.
Yeah, I'll try. Thank you, Daddy and Mummy.
So look at it. What is it?
What is
Darling.
A dalek.
There's 2 already.
It's doing the twirl.
Okay.
No, you have to push both buttons forward to go forward.
I know.
Push it. You don't know at all.
Away!
Yeah.
Sure that wasn't for me?
Yeah. Look. To a Hannah.
Oh, okay.
You can play in it still. That was hard. Oh, Mario Kart!
Whoa.
Is that a good one?
Yeah, you know, it's racing, I think. Oh, tennis. It has to be on rippable paper. Look, I ripped it!
It's good play.
It's dizzy. I missed it.
Huh. Oh, look. Is it?